Hey everyone, this is Vincent. In this video, we are going to see how the ability to modify materials in Substance 3D Viewer can save your creative life. We are now in Substance 3D Viewer, and I have just imported a project from Photoshop based on a previous collaboration that my client wants updated for their new ad campaign. They provided a new background image, and I'm reusing the same 3D model from the previous collection. I already updated the lighting and camera angle. My client has given me the reference colors and requested a material change. So let's make those adjustments now. In order to start tweaking material, we are going to look for the Appearance menu in the left bar and click on it. You will see that now the Appearance menu is there with all the materials which are present in the scene. So you can either open one of them, or you can directly click on the part of the 3D model you want to tweak, like in our case, we are going to click on the wristband, and now we have all the materials properties which are displayed. What you have in front of you is called a physically based material or PBR material, and even if the name looks a bit scary, it's actually fairly simple to use. As you can see, you have a list of parameters and each of them are controlling an aspect of the surface property and how it reacts to the light. There are many different aspects we can control, but for this tutorial we are going to focus on the base color and the roughness. The base color obviously defines the color of your object. In order to tweak it, I'm going to click on the small square on the right, and as you can see, it is now controlled by a texture map. I'm going to delete it. And now by clicking again on the small square, I can directly change the color. In my case, this is the orange I already used on the font, so I'm going to use the color picker to grab it. Now let's tweak the roughness by clicking once again on the small image and deleting it. And now I have this slider which allows me to control if the surface is matte if I go to the right or shiny if I go to the left. We have seen how to tweak material, but you can also completely replace it. And to do so, what you can do is go at the bottom of the appearance panel, open the material preset, and in my case, I'm going to use the titanium directly on the body of the watch. And after a few seconds of loading, you will see the new parameters loading on the right. So I'm going to tweak this and the rest of my project. Then I'm going to export all of this to Photoshop. That's it for this video. I really hope you like this challenge and see you in the next one.